Hi guys, I'm Tonya from Blackout Tattoo. Today I'm going to share our healing process, the way we do it, as an instruction for you to follow. Firstly, there's going to be a list of supplies that you need to prepare before the session, so when you get home from our studio, you're ready to begin your healing process.
Absorbing bed sheets, chlorhexidine solution, Bepanthen, alcohol-based skin antiseptic, Nimisil, antibacterial soap, spray bottle and a foam bottle, single-use powder-free gloves, paper towels, Zewa Vision bag, masking tape and duct tape, cling film, and scissors. To a foam bottle, add 3 drops of soap and drinking water. Chlorhexidine solution should have no more than 0.05%. 0.05 solution can also be mixed. Absorbing sheets. They come in different sizes. If you cut an absorbing sheet to the size of your tattoo, it should always be sealed with tape to avoid getting cellulose onto your fresh tattoo. This specific method of sealing is safe and comfortable for your skin.
Now it has passed 4 hours since we've packed you up into an absorbing sheet and you're ready to begin your first treatment.
Day 1. With a gloved hand, detach the tape and remove the cover. Make sure that the water has a comfortable temperature. Apply the foam and give your tattoo a careful but a full surface rub. Rinse under water. You will then see that it's still quite slimy. All of the slime has to be removed. Grab a couple of paper towels, fold them twice, a little bit of water, and simply wipe the whole surface of the fresh tattoo. Remember, all the slime has to be removed. Give it another good rinse under water to remove any leftover soap. Wipe it with paper towels to check that there's no black slime left. Pay loads of attention to how well you clean those wrinkly elbows. Make a photo report and spray it with chlorhexidine all around. Now pack your tattoo up with an absorbing sheet, as we did it for you after the session. This is a cleaning and changing process that you should repeat 3 times with a period of 4 hours between the changes. It is not necessary to seal the body part completely. Sometimes it is good to let some air in, but as long as the absorbing sheet covers your tattoo part completely. The previous cleaning process and the following wrapping process apply the same to day 1 and day 2. Prepare a reasonably large piece of cling film to cover your tattoo and some skin around it. Here I've put 2 pieces together and overlapped them so that if it slides off, my tattoo still stays covered. If your tattoo is on a limb, then it makes sense to make an absorbing wrap, which will collect any excess liquids that come out from your tattoo. Before wrapping up, I give my tattoo another quick clean with this solution and a paper towel. Then I spray chlorhexidine all around my tattoo, put my arm down on the cling film and wrap it up tightly, but to the extent where it still feels comfortable. Remember, you should have no air pockets under the cling film. It should be fully stuck to your skin. Next change is in 4 hours.
We do advise you to stay at home for as long as it is possible to do your tattoo treatment, but sometimes it's not possible and you have to go out to work, to study, and for a meeting or something like that. And here's an instruction for you on how to do the tattoo treatment in hiking conditions.
No matter where you are, wear loose clothes and follow the treatment schedule. Oops, no water there. It's day 3 and I'm preparing to clean my tattoo in hiking conditions. Clean your hands well. Prepare your treatment items for the process on a clean surface. Clean your tattoo with chlorhexidine and a paper towel. Take photos for the checkup. Spray your tattoo with chlorhexidine. Give 5-10 minutes to dry. Prepare the cling film, spray your tattoo as usual, and wrap it up. It is still day 3. As you may have noticed previously, my tattoo started peeling. It is still quite swollen, but it has long stopped leaking and skin has a feeling of contraction when left out without moisture. As normally, I give it a clean with a foam under water, rinse it well, dry it up and give it a checkup with a paper towel. Then I take some photos and spray it with chlorhexidine. And I give it 10 minutes to dry. Now I prepare the cling film. I put a paper towel on top of it, spray it with chlorhexidine, spray my tattoo, and wrap it all up. I repeat this treatment every 4 hours. Day 4. This is the morning of day 4. My tattoo is now feeling super itchy and it has fully peeled and is craving for loads and loads of moisture. I clean it as usual, give it time to get some air, take photos and apply the Bepanthen Plus cream. It's feeling very itchy, and when it does, I put it under cold water.
Itchiness in this period of time can be very stressful for some people, so we do advise you to give it a cold water clean and reapply cream every couple of hours. If you're staying at home or in other clean conditions, you don't have to wrap your tattoo up and you can just walk around with it open. But if you're outside or going to a shop or traveling somewhere, you can wear loose, clean cotton clothes that will cover your tattoo and save it from dust and dirt flying over it.
My tattoo is fully healed and requires permanent moisture. I use Bepanthen ointment. It's good for this purpose due to thick, oily structure. I apply it every 2 hours during the daytime. Helpful trick for the itchy tattoos. Grab a bottle with frozen water, wrap it up in a paper towel and apply it to the itchy part.
I remind you that your photo reports are very important because your healing process can undergo certain individual adaptation depending on the photos that you send us. Overlooking in the process of healing, there are things that you shouldn't do while your skin is recovering. You should never miss your scheduled tattoo treatment process. You should not miss your photo report for us. You should not wear clothes that are too tight or rub on your tattoo. You should not load your tattooed part, or stretch it or shrink it or bend it or make it undergo any constant activity. For example, if you have a tattooed foot, don't do the walking and you will avoid the further problems with the healing. Don't get it hot under the wrapping. That's something that we call a hot sauna effect. If you feel that your tattoo is getting a bit too hot under the wrapping, it's better to take it off and make an extra change before the time for it comes. Also, don't take hot showers, hot baths, saunas, and don't go swimming in the pool or the sea in the first 5-6 days of your healing process. And now, regarding your tattoo session, please bring the following items with you. A large towel, the largest that you can find at home. Absorbing bed sheets, the ones that you bought for your healing. Sticky tape, Bepanthen ointment, Nimisil, your individual foam bottle, high-calorie snacks or even a meal to eat during the break to refill your strength. Also have a high-calorie meal before the session, it is very important. Don't come in hungry. Wear comfortable clothes to the session and also bring comfortable clothes with you, especially the ones that are required for your specific tattoo. And be prepared that black ink does not wash off. Also be prepared to take a taxi when you go back home after the session or organize someone to pick you up. Please do not bring any company with you to the session, don't bring any bad mood, and leave your work, phone calls and arguments back at home outside of the studio. Thank you. If you still have any questions, feel free to send us a message or ask us directly, and we are waiting for you on the tattoo session. This was Tonya from Abusive Tattoo. See you around. Bye.